Today I'm going to show you how to make a scrunchie pattern. These are the materials that we are going to need. And the first thing we are going to do, we're going to grab one piece of paper and we are going to fold it in half. Okay? And I can use my hand to put some pressure to make sure it's folded in half. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my paper scissors and I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to follow the middle line and that's where I'm going to cut. And don't worry if it's a little bit off because we are going to connect them, okay? So I'm going to end up with two pieces like this and I am going to tape them together like you see in this video, okay? And you can use any kind of tape. I'm just going to put some tape to connect the two, okay? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my ruler and I'm going to place it on one side of the paper, okay? And I'm going to follow all the way to 16 inches and I'm going to draw some lines there, okay? I want my pattern to be only 16 inches in length. I'm going to trace the line there and I'm going to cut the excess, okay? For now, I'm going to write down 16 inches. That way you guys know that's the length of my pattern, okay? Once I do that, I'm going to cut the excess. I don't need that anymore. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my ruler and I'm going to trace my seam allowance, okay? In this pattern, I'm going to add 3/8 of an inch seam allowance to the top and also to the bottom of my pattern. I'm using a clear ruler, which is easier for me to see exactly where 3/8 of an inch are, okay? I'm also going to mark one side of the pattern with 3/8 of an inch seam allowance as well. And on the other side, I'm going to mark it as a fold because when we cut our fabric, okay, we want to fold the fabric there in half. So I drew my arrows there so you can see where the fabric is going to fold. And I'm going to label my pattern scrunchie. We're going to cut one. And remember, it's going to be cut on the fold. Okay, we cut the fabric on the fold. And this is pretty much how my pattern is going to look for the scrunchies that we want to make. And we want to make stretchy and non-stretchy scrunchies, okay? If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.